Hi, today I want to share with you how to draw pearlescent balloons like these ones. The last time I explored a way to draw pearlescent effect with ordinary paint was 6 years ago. At that time, I drew it on a board, but I can't find it right now, so I can only show you a photo. And at that time, I was already happy with it, but after so many years, I just want to know if my painting and drawing skills have improved. So I want to do it a second time. And I came up with the layout 2 days ago and I finished it, adding some pressed flower as the dress. Unfortunately, this photo was knocked down by a friend yesterday. So you can see some of the flower scraps, and also the frame was broken. So I have to mend it after I do this tutorial. Before we start drawing, let me make some explanation. The gist of pearlescent effect is the value changes. So you can see here that there are two highlight points. One is on top because the light hit on from above. So in here, I didn't color it, so the value is 10. And the darkest value is about 4. Value is how light or dark a color is regardless of the hue. You can have a better judgment of the value by squinting your eyes and comparing with this chart. Actually, you can easily get a hold of the value chart from online. Compared with other textures like latex, although pearlescent effect and latex may have the same value change, but the gradation is different. For latex, there is a sharp line between light and dark values, but for pearlescent effect, the value change is very gradual. The value distribution of pearlescent balloons is similar to a pearl. If you study a photo of a pearl, you will see a dark band in the middle and also very dark here. The difference is just the shape. For lighter color balloons like the yellow and green ones, you may not be able to find a very dark yellow or green. So in here, I used a gray color pencil to add some darkness here. Now let's get down to drawing. I used Canson marker paper here and some alcohol ink marker from Japan. And some color pencils. And the brand is Colleen, which is also a Japanese brand. What I like about this pack of color pencils is that they have neon colors and the color is very vibrant. I mark the right side of the paper, turn it over and draw the balloon shape with a pencil, and then turn it over again and color it. Use the lightest color possible. Leave a blank spot here as the highlight. The third color. Alternatively, you can blend with the lighter color. I leave the first highlight larger in case the dark color will bleed out. Now I will start using the color pencils because it's easier to control color pencils on small areas than using markers. You can shift back to alcohol ink marker if you like. The big thing is do it patiently. Sometimes if the light color is contaminated with the dark color, you have to clean it first. Just draw it on a blank paper. The white spot of the first highlight is too low. It should be a little bit higher. Let me do another one. There you have it. So I'm doing a quick version of another color. These two balloons are not very perfect, but you get the idea. I hope you like my sharing and give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.